Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to log out from Udemy account. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now this is our Udemy interface and currently we are logged in. So we're going to go ahead to the upper right hand corner of our interface. So you are just going to click your profile here and we're just going to scroll down, and as you can see you have the my learning, my cart, wish list, instructor dashboard, notifications, messages, account settings, payment methods, subscriptions, Udemy credits, purchase history, and so on and so forth. So we're just going to click log out, and there you go. That's how you're going to log out on Udemy. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.